cable cast on is similar to the knitted cast on in that it can start sort of mid-row or with a short tail. You're going to put your slip knot on your needle. For the first one, you have to go into the stitch. So you go into that stitch, end up in the back, wrap that around, pull it through, and then you can put it back on the needle facing the stitch. See that? The next one, you're going to go in between the stitches, so not into this stitch, but actually between them. And when you wrap, you pull that through the way you would any other one. And you could put that back on the needle with the tips facing each other. So you're going to go between the two stitches, not into the stitch like a knit stitch, but in between the stitches. You're going to wrap around the back and end up in the middle with your yarn. You're going to pull that new stitch through to the front and put it back on the needle. You're going to go in between the last two stitches. You're going to wrap around the back with your yarn ending up in the middle there. You're going to be very careful and pull that through to the front and put that back on the needle with the tips facing each other. This is another good one, just like the knitted cast on for casting on in the middle of a row, if you're casting on for the underarms of sleeves, or if you need to add for shaping, because you're not using two tails, you just have the working yarn. And that can go on as long as you want.